Okay, so I'll be answering question 5 of the homework, which asks the formula for computing the final amount if one is earning compound interest is given on Wikipedia as this equation. Write a Python program that assigns the principal amount of 10,000 to variable p, assign to n the value 12, and assign to r the interest rate of 8%. Then have the program prompt the user for number of years t that the money will be compounded for. Calculate and print the final amount after t years. So here's my work. I assigned p to equal 10,000, n to equal 12, and r to equal 0.08 because that equals 8%. I assigned t to equal float, so we got a decimal number. Input number of years. So when we run it in the shell, it asks the number of years. I assigned a to equal the equation that we were given, then used the print variable. So when we run in a shell, it would ask or say, after blank number of years that we ask, you will have a total of the answer, dollars of compound interest. When we run this in the shell, we will get the question, number of years. I'm going to say 2 years. You press enter. After 2 years, you will have the total of this dollars of compound interest.